Do you have a temporary shortfall in capacity, an occasional need for expertise, and employee mentorship to develop competent engineers? Enshrine Virtual Resources offer specialized services, expertise and supersubs who are available on short notice for contract assignments. Enshrine Virtual Resources will work in office, on-site or remotely, whichever is appropriate. Today we are promoting a seasoned professional in asset management. With only a 6-month assignment, he could have a major impact on the availability and reliability of your major mining equipment and mineral processing plant. Reduced downtime and operating expenses can make all the difference to the success of projects and the profitable operations. This senior member of the Institute of Certificated Mechanical and Electrical Engineers has government certification of competence for mines and works for both electrical and mechanical engineering. He is a seasoned professional as engineering manager, asset management across life cycle, responsible for acquisition projects for major mining equipment and plant and for the maintenance thereof on a wide range of mining projects and operations. He is particularly proud of his achievements in improving reliability and availability of equipment and plant. With an abundance of positive energy and enthusiasm for fixing things, he also enjoys mentoring younger engineers. To view more of what this EVR resource has to offer, and to browse EVR's catalog, click below, or request a consultation.